Welcome back to the channel, my friends. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Chris. You're watching the Snow Boss. And yes, it is mid-March. And yes, we're getting ready for a snowstorm, probably the last one of the season. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so we're up here at my new warehouse location. 914 is behind me. Use that as the backup and to load salt. 950 is here with the metal press. My order 1224 has still not come in. So unfortunately that's not going to happen this year. That's on order, still not in, but obviously we don't need it. Mid-March storm, filling up with fuel, Snow Boss Jr. Getting it done, filling her up, all nice and full. Whoop. And yeah, so calling for 3 to 6, maybe 4 to 8. So I would assume somewhere around 1 to 3, 2 to 4 will actually stick on the ground, because it is actually 64 degrees today. So yeah, so we're just getting it done. They are actually, so the two big warehouses are over there. Big ones there, 1 million square feet, 600,000 square feet over there. The next one that they're putting is here, and they've already started some of the site work. This will be the dock side of this building, and then the pad is up there. Then the next building is up there, and then the other building's up there. So there'll be 5 buildings total here. Those will be ready for the fall. So it looks like we'll have full bore going into next year, and lots of surprises coming for the channel, I can tell you that much. Put some orders in for some special stuff. So yeah, see you in the morning. Let's see what we get. Good afternoon. No, it's still morning. It's only like 10 o'clock. Good morning. It's snowing. It finally came. It took till March, what is today? March 12th to get here. It's coming down. We got about 3 hours of it like this, and then it looks like it tapers off. Temperatures are crashing. It was 40 degrees at 6 o'clock this morning, and it is down, I believe, down to about 29 right now. It is getting icy underneath because, of course, the slush and the leftover salt from last time. Metal press is way up there with the loader. Hard visibility, probably can't even see it. But we're out, we're hitting it. And yeah, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We've been waiting 5 months for this. feet at a time. So it looks like that's gonna be it. Didn't do as much as they said. Trying to get this finished, salted down, and that's, unfortunately, I think that's pretty much it. It's heavy though. It is definitely heavy. Any snow underneath that truck. And yeah, it cut out on us a couple hours early, seems like. So we'll do our final passes and salt it down. Driving like a crazy person. Ended up probably, looks like 3 inches. Right about 3 inches. Which, whatever, it's a bonus, I guess. It is March. Now we gotta contend with the wind though, because from what I gather on the forecast, is for some 40-mile-an-hour winds, and toward the end it got real powdery. So probably going to be blowing around a little bit. This trailer has not moved all winter, so I don't think we got to worry about that too much. Alright guys, so does anyone else have these stupid blocks for the trailers on these terminals? Oh, every door's got a freaking block, and they're chained here to the building, but that don't do me any good because these truckers don't put them back up here. Isn't that nice of them? So that kind of sucks. Got another one over here. These things, pain in the butt, these things. I did catch one of these last time. I don't know, it's gonna be in one of those piles over there. We'll find it when it all melts again. There we go. Now I can get in here, clean this up. Yeah. Good morning guys, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. It's a little continuation of the storm we just had. So this warehouse is closed on Sundays, but I got here and all the snow from the roof I had this black and wet, all that was shoveled. There's a sidewalks that go up along here. Up here you can see how much snow is here, about 8 inches to a foot, and you can just see it right there. So it must have blown all off the roof all around here. and all the way down and actually covered the entire lot again. So thankfully this place is closed on Sundays. Let's take care of it. Where it's really heavy. Who says it doesn't roll? That was a roll if you ask me. So, just in case you guys are wondering why I'm pushing it to where I'm pushing it, is because they've pitched it to the center of the lot. And there's only a drain here and then one drain on the other end. So if you don't pile the snow here, you're gonna have all kinds of problems with runoff because they pitched it to the middle of the freaking middle. So real quick, so see we have a pile here because they've pitched it from up top comes to the middle and then from the building out to the middle. So all the water is gonna run down here. So we gotta put all the snow right here because there's a drain there, and then we'll put the snow down there. My operator yesterday put that pile there. It shouldn't really be there, but anyway, so that way the water stays at the drains. Was easy. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. what I won't do to get a shot. I tucked it in here on the tree. Oh man, what I do for you guys. Well, that's gonna do it, guys. I'm just about done. It's melting pretty quick once I scrape it off. But yeah, interesting little bonus storm on March 13th. I hope we're done. See you next year, guys. All right, guys. Got a little snow squall coming through here, as you can see. And that's gonna wrap it up. It's gonna probably wrap it up for the season. If you like what you see, guys, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Woo.